Hey, what's going on, guys? Johnny the Web Guy here today. Today we're going to talk about how to assign a domain to your cPanel account. If you have external domains such as from GoDaddy or from another domain name provider, and you want to assign it to your Bluehost cPanel account, I will show you how to do that. So let's get started. So let's say that you have domain names over at GoDaddy, right? And you want to assign them to your cPanel account in Bluehost. So I want to do that here. You log into your GoDaddy account, and I would recommend having a separate account for GoDaddy and a separate account for whoever you're using for your web hosting, because normally you would change, in course of your career, you're going to change your hosting account. Log into your GoDaddy account and then go to domains, all domains. Let's see, so we go down to your domain name that you want to assign to your cPanel account. In this case, it's hustlenation.org. Click on Manage DNS because we want the domain hosting to be able to manage the DNS, so we click on that. We go down to name servers. So using the default name servers, this is what we want to change right here. So click on the change, click on this drop down and say custom. Alright, don't worry about this stuff if you're not using Weebly, Wix, or Squarespace, which we're not. So you would put ns1.bluehost.com, ns2.bluehost.com. And if you're using a different service provider, put their DNS information, but go to reallystartblogging.com and do step 1, sign up for Bluehost, and so you'll be able to follow these steps step by step. And the reason for that is if I say click this button over here and your domain management doesn't have that button, you're like, well, what do I do? So just follow along, it's good, and it's probably one of the cheaper ones too. So name servers have been changed, so go over to your Bluehost account, go down to domains, and what we want to do here is we want to assign a domain to your cPanel account. So let's click on that. And you put your domain, so I'll put hustlenation.org. It goes out and looks for those hosting DNS entries that we just changed. So it's verifying here. It's looking out. It's going, okay, where is this DNS information? Alright, so we see that the ownership is verified. The name servers are currently set to NS1 and NS2. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to add on domain, and we want to go ahead and use that same directory. You can change the subdomain. I leave everything the same. That's fine. Click on assign this domain. You'll see down here it says waiting for my bluehost.com. So just wait. This step here is where a lot of people get impatient. This takes up to a couple minutes to actually do it. So just sit here and wait, and wait for the screen to come up, and we'll do that. And while we're doing that, we'll talk about why we're doing this. We're doing this so that we ultimately can create a website on our Bluehost. And of course, the website can be a vlog, it can be a blog, it can be a sales site, it could be whatever. But I have videos on reallystartblogging.com to show you step by step how to set up a blog website. So go there for sure. ReallyStartBlogging.com. Alright, so there you have it. Once it refreshes, you will see that in your list, Hustle Nation is there. Don't worry about expiration date. It'll come up later. But type is add-on, so that's good. So now you can go click on My Sites. And it takes a minute to load. And then you can click this blue button here to create a site using the site that you just added on. And to see this video, go to ReallyStartBlogging.com and make sure you do step 1, get web hosting, type in see if your domain name's available, check your availability, and take that step. Go ahead and sign up for the web hosting there. And then step 2 leads you step by step into how to configure your WordPress site. And then step 3 is how to create your content. It's pretty easy. Step 1, step 2, step 3. ReallyStartBlogging.com. Make sure you get the hosting there so you will be able to follow along. Okay, so that is how to assign a domain to your cPanel account in Bluehost from a GoDaddy account. I would recommend both GoDaddy and Bluehost. I'll put a link in the description below. Make sure you get both. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get all of my future videos to learn how to create websites, do blogs, vlogs, e-commerce sites coming soon. Whatever you guys want to learn, let me know. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace out.